WW Sort 30, a review of AR, schwa plus R, and OR. This is the last sort of this group. That's why we get a review. Here we are doing a sound here because there's going to see some different spellings. But this is R, like a pirate goes, R. This upside down E is the symbol for the schwa, which is like is a schwa, and this one over here is or. So we've got some R controlled sounds. So even though it might be spelled a certain way, you might see it in a different category. Orn, so that one goes in or. Jar says R. You don't hear an A at all, just the R. Earn, earn. That one's going to be the schwa. Horse. This is a homophone. We're going to look for the homophone later and then talk about it. Ors. So this right here in the middle is making an or sound. Sound sort. We're looking for this sound. Urge. Urge. Orm. Orm. So which column do you think this one goes in? You might have thought AR because it has an AR, but you really hear or in that word. So we put it here. Horse. So here's the homophone for horse. Ors. They're spelled differently, but they sound the same. This is the horse, the animal. This is a horse, like your throat is scratchy, so you sound hoarse. Ard. Ard. Earl. Earl. Orn. Worn. Sounds like OR. That's also a homophone, so let's watch out for the other one. Earth. Sounds Or. And this one's got a silent E on it. Snore. This one's got the same thing. Erst. Which column do you think this one goes in? Erst. The sound, even though it looks like an OR here, it's really making a different sound. So we're going to put it here with the schwa. Or, we hear or with another silent E. Yeah, arn. I hear R. Put it over here. Orn, worn. Okay, so makes the same sound as this one, but it's spelled different. A homophone. Homo means same. Phone means sound, same sound, but they've got different spelling. Here we have an A, here we have an O. This worn is when you wear clothes. I've worn that already. And this warn would be like a fire drill bell is warning you. Schwa. Schwa. Spur. Another schwa. Or. I hear or. Or. Bore. That's also a homophone, and there's its match. Same sound, different spelling, homophones. This boar is an animal. This bore is like you're bored, to bore somebody, make them bored. So when you have your partner do your blind writing sort, make sure that they put these into a sentence, else you won't be able to spell it correctly. And finally, arch. Okay, very important to go down the columns and make sure that you put them in the right place. I really want you to stop and make sure you do this because we have different spellings in the other two columns. Now this column, the spelling is very regular. It's not going to change. So easy pattern. Jar, hard, yarn, march. They all say R. Now make sure in this column they're all saying earn, surge, pearl, worth, worst, sir, lurk, spur. When you say them all at once, you can totally hear it. And let's make sure all of these make the or sound. Thorn, warm, horse, worn, worn, core, snore, shore, score, bore, and boar. We got that correct.